tu te chibai ule weekly roundup hun kan lo thleng le ta a Mizoram Presbyterian Koshan rongbol na peng sang sang chanchin ilo thlir hawang u Synod Ramthar Board Committee voiza somruk parukna anchu Meni khat ni lai ni khan Synod Ramthar Board Committee voiza somruk parukna chu Synod Office JM Lloyd Hall a anchu a committee hi Reverend Ardal Mingthanga Synod Moderator in Akai Shwaya Reverend C. Zoram Moya Secretary Synod Mission Board in report ape Secretary report a hian Rahman Lok anga Field Shang Committee thokhatna tuang taka nei ani thute Garwal Mission chu April ni sari sangni som pakwa khan lak fel ni in he mission a hian members a somsari pasari anom thule Garwal Mission hnuaya St James Academy a zirtir tu pek ani thute kumin sangni som pakwa January achanga March thachungin Field Shanga ringthar sangni zahni somsari pali anom bel thute ngai thak ani kumsangni sompre da changa sangni sompakwa financial year chungin budget mu beise chengnoi sangkwa zali somnga paruk singthum sanga ani a sumhu zongjong hi chengnoi singkhat zariat somriat pakhat singruk sangkhat zariat somnga pali ni in budget khumna hi chengnoi sangkhat zali somni panga singni sangruk zariat somnga pali ani nikum sangni sompasari achanga sangni sompriat sumhu khumna chu chengnoi sangkhat zariat pakwa singni sangthum zanga somriat pahni ani Board Committee Thurel Tura Chopchwa Zinga Hian Mission Reserve Fund a Sumda Turte Field Headquarters Somna Mun Jairampur ngai tonon le turangen nate SMB Hnuaya Permanent Pensionable Post Ruak no kha chungchang tele thilpoi mo chi sang te an ngai to ani Mission Rongbol na sang lo ngai thak chunzom ila April ni somni pakwa achanga me ni li chung hian Home Mission South Lam Mission School sang te tlo in Putilal chuang liana Supervisor of Schools akal April ni somni pasari le ni somni pariat khan Karbi Anglong Mission Field ta ringthar som pakhat lai an oma April ni somni pariat Pathianni khan Hamren Bial chunga badong kaushan biakin chu inkhom lo lain thlepuin ati cheveka inkhom na tur nei lavin tu na hian anom mek April ni somni pariat Pathianni khan Assam Mission Field ta ringthar puitling parukin baptisma an changa Baptist kaushan achangin chung ko khat member pali omna chu kan kaushana anron luta anfanu in baptisma achanghal bok tin inkhom Hruaina bu ara donor hat puthi Assamese in Roman script a inkhom Hruaina bu chu siampe ni in shal chwa mek ani a ashal na man hian print belzel turarwa man ani April ni somni pariat Pathianni hian Jharkhand Mission Field ta ringthar pariat in baptisma an changa April thachungin ringthar mi somthum pariat in baptisma an chang ani April ni somni pariat Pathianni khan Arunachal West Mission Field ta mi panga in baptisma an changa April ni somni pariat Pathianni mangkhan Bomdila Pastor Bial inkhom pui voi som pariat na le Trizino Pastor Bial inkhom pui voi som pakhat na tuang takanei ani a Bomdila Biala hian riak lut palai za somni pali an oma Trizino Biala hian palai riak lut za somni pakhat an ombok April ni somni pariat Pathianni khan Delhi Branch KGP le Delhi West Branch KGP 10 Joint Service lim omtak an mang ani Arunachal North Field Report April ni somni pahni achanga ni somni pali chung khan Field Orientation Training Janaya nei ani a heta hian interfield transfer awanga thok tu thar pangale SMB missionary contract lak tharmi pariat antel April ni somni panga changa ni somni pasari chung khan Jubilee Model High School Janaya Zirlai Tetan Gospel Week man ani a Zirlai no pangmi somnga chuang zatin lal iswa ringa zui turin anin pe ani April ni somni pariat Pathianni khan mi pariat puitling pangale no pang pathum ten baptisma an changa April thachungin Arunachal Mission Field ta ringthar baptist changmi som pariat an om ani Mission Field ta biak in thar hon ani April ni somthum khan Jharkhand Mission Field ta Purnia biakin chu Jogya Bial tu Pastor C Thangro Moyan ahonga biakin hi champhai veng sang kaushanin an sak ani April ni som pariat khan Bomdila Pastor Bial Nafra biak in thar hon ani a biakin hi zarkot kaushan sak ani Synod Department sang rongbol na chanchin ilongai tha ang u Education Meni ni nga ni khan Presbyterian English School sang Saitwal Keifang Mual Peng Ralung le Rule Som Tetlo in Reverend Kellerin Moya, Executive Secretary le Pupisi Vanil Shoya Supervisor de Ankal. MSSU Mainly in Rinni Khan Tamares Marvenga Sunday School Training Neipuyin MSSU Assistant Coordinator Pujonal Shoitluanga le Upabilal Munliana MSSU Trainer de Ankala Zanin Khoma Pujonal Shoitluanga Assistant Coordinator in Fanau and Kolchung Chang Thucha Asoy. Synod Social Front Mainly le Ninga Hian Lallen Bial KGP Malak na in HIV/AIDS awareness campaign nei ania Synod Social Front achangin pu elen lalmuan puyale pu Robert Lerem puyate ankal Mainly le Ninga vekhan saitwal kaushana Synod Social Front rongbolna awareness campaign nei in pu Arlan Nuntluanga coordinator le upa H Ngor Thansang ate ankal KGP Maini thuma changa ninga chung hian India Ram Presbyterian Kaushan Hnuaia Chalai Paul Presbyterian Youth Fellowship chu Mokhar Kaushan Shillonga Binil Conference an manga heta hian Mizoram achang pu in palai mi za vel an kal ani PYF Binil Conference a hian KGP ten palai za an tir thaya Central KGP Committee member te Zaipol Zai Tura Kalba ka mi za adai lo na zong hi Bial KGP di achangin ain chokin palai tu ruat ani chin Tunchuma hian Mizoram achangin chaltlang Pastor Bial Zaipol te anzai ani Presbyterian Church in Myanmar Phai Sinota Chalai Paul Presbyterian Youth Joint Committee PYIC chuan Maini thum achanga ninga sangni sompakwa chung hian Khampat Myanmar Trinal Conference an manga Trinal Conference manpui tur hian Central KGP OB Pathum le Synod Choir te ankal Mizoram KGP le Myanmar PYJC te hian thohau da chatak anneya Christian Chalai Chanchinbu kopi za somnga lai Myanmar hian thatin thon ania kumsangni sompriat KGP General Conference West Phailenga neya khan PYJC hian palai bani anron tirbok Sin4 Hruaina Eng Channel po thwa chatto ania LPS Channel 123 a le Zone 12 a te engtik lai po in clear thei ani Hruaina Eng TV program su samachar prasaran program Pathianni tlaidar nga a Zone Zolbuka le LPS 1 na ti chwa chin ania clear to 10 minute clear sak vectorin kan so ma cheu Sin4 recording studio a video le voice recording ati thaya Kaushan le Bial Zaipol te tan man thei ania Kaushan ho te mangdu kan chuan Sin4 coordinator hna dilna thelu thei ania heiba ka hian office phone number 2314648 a po biak thei ani e FGNCC Mainly in Rinni Khan Mamita FGNCC Center thar honna nei ania hemi huna hian Reverend Arlal Mingthanga moderator Reverend B Sangthanga Executive Secretary Reverend Lal Sangbera Director le FGNCC Committee mi panga ankala voin Pathianni hian kaushan shanga Center Awareness Campaign nein hun an manghalang Campus Ministry Meni ninga ni Khan si Pirveng Hun High School a Prevention of Substance Abuse Program an manga tlangwalan munza vatlaw counselor in PowerPoint presentation mangin zirtir na ape ani Meni ruk tho chania government piang leya high school a hun an mang leang Synod Relief Fund sem ani tun naya har sat na shang nei te hne na hetiang hian Synod Relief Fund sem ani Kulikon is salemin tuar chung ko pakhat hne na cheng sing khat le vandoi na tok mi pakhat hne na cheng sing khat te pek anni tuna chuan Synod puipa te program lo ngai thla ila Reverend Arlen Mingthanga moderator program Mainly ne ninga hian Mamita FGNCC Center thar hongin akala voin Pathianni hian campaign in hun amang halang Reverend Len Mingthanga Sailo Senior Executive Secretary program Maini thuma changa ninga chung hian islungdar kaushan tlo in akala Maini Saria Pay Anomaly Committee a achu anga Maini ria da Synod Pastoral Committee a achu ang Maini som pakhat le ni som pahnia pastor induction in bil khotlir marvenga akalang Reverend B Sangthanga Executive Secretary program Maini le ninga hian Mamita FGNCC honna manpui nakala voin Pathianni hian campaign in hun manghalang Maini rukchonulama hospital BEC Maini Saria Pay Anomaly Committee a Maini ria da Synod Pastoral Committee Maini kwa Women Center Committee Maini soma presscom board meeting ati achu anga Maini som achanga ni som pani chungin pastor induction in farko na akalang Reverend Kellerin Moya Executive Secretary program Meni ruka Synod Prison Committee meeting an thu anga Meni Saria Synod Mission Board BEC a thu anga Meni som pahnia pastor induction in se songa akal le ang Katizong khatun chumata na weekly round up hun kan man thei chu ani e